gorgeous day. We're gonna go meet lots of really cool people and learn a bunch of stuff. So if you're van curious, let's go. This is Lauren.
Hello.
Lauren built a van. Well, actually, okay, the van was built. She built the inside, right?
That's true. That's a good point.
So Lauren, how long did it take you to do it?
I'm still working on it, so it's 90% done, but I got it in May 2022 and just picking away at it while traveling on the road.
Okay, let me just say, for 9% done, I'm not even going in this, but look at these cabinets. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, how cool is that?
Yes, I know. It's very nice. Go outside, rinse stuff off, so yes.
Very cool. Well, you know what? Van life women rock. So, congratulations.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, this is Jay's. Take a look at this. It's fantastic, buddy. And it's a Ford. How many gallons to the mile?
About 9.
At 9. Okay, understood.
10, maybe.
So cool. Who I saw. Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Tell us the name.
PS Adventures,
We're
and
Paul and Sarah, so PS Adventures.
this is our very first time at a van life event, so we're super excited.
Okay, this is what every van lifer should have right here, and I'm learning my lesson really quick. See these awesome orange boards? These are called recovery boards, and you need those when you're getting stuck. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's true. It easily.
Is this the dog sharing corner? Oh. Oh. Hey buddy, what's up? Okay, VanFest is pretty tight. So look at this. There's my van, there's Rosie, another van, lots of vans here. Okay, this is Westphalia land. Look at these guys, look at this. Awesome. I think they need more stickers. What do you think? I think you guys need more stickers. I'm a little concerned about your sticker collection, just saying. I'm concerned.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
Well, the place is...
Okay, so not only really cool people here, but there's also really cool vendors. So make sure you bring your cash and just shop and have some fun, because there's lots of really cool things, from van stuff, van build outs, also having a van contest. I think van's the name of the game. Okay guys, I think I found my favorite van here. I can't even talk. You need to check this out. Let's go take a look at this. Okay, wait. What's your name?
I'm Joe.
You're Joe?
That's Joe. Yep, that's my mom.
Okay, Joe.
Are you guys ready?
Joe.
There you go.
Show me your van. Oh, okay.
Yeah, actually that's a caption on my screen there. Come on in.
Okay.
All right, a little tour. All right, so partition wall. And then we have separated overhead storage up here. So the bathroom has its own overhead storage. This is a...
I gotta go slow just a sec, because I want everybody to see this, because this is really cool, guys. Take a look at this. Really cool shower with nice storage. You guys always ask about storage. This is the thing. Nice little teak wood down there. This is really nice and warm with your woodworking. I love this.
Everything's soft close.
Soft close.
Drawers. This comes up to complete the rest of the countertop.
Okay, nice.
We got the microwave. This is a DC powered fridge.
Okay.
Also AC if I'm on an inverter. I run a marine water heater, which actually plumbs into my engine coolant, so it heats as I drive. Nice deep sink.
Nice. Oh yeah, nice deep sink.
Nice and big.
Okay.
We got the closet right here.
Wardrobe.
Yeah, and then there's also a hidden compartment down here.
Love that. You got your security up here, which is nice. You can see all the way around you.
There you go.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, and
then this is the couch and the TV, and then I'll go ahead and show you the best part right now.
Okay, because honestly, we might need to talk. You're doing a fantastic job with this, and I am a fan. Is this what I think it is?
Yep. So this is actually the bed right here.
He has a Murphy bed. Look at this. Okay, now I gotta check this out. So what size is this bed?
This is a full-size bed.
Full-size bed. It's got the pillow. He's got the places for the pillows and the blankets, which is smart.
Come down right there.
Okay.
Yep.
So I gotta ask. Okay, first off, is this the first time you built?
Yep. This is the first time.
And what was your inspiration?
So I've seen 1 or 2 Murphy beds built. I thought that was probably the best way to go about it for space. I like the open floor plan. And to be honest with you, it was a lot of hours spent drinking beers in the van, looking at an empty van before I figured out, how I wanted everything laid out. And for me, it was just, it was the open floor plan that did it.
I love it.
Thank you.
Very awesome. All right, so how long did it take you to do this?
About 2 years,
And
and I'd say maybe 1.5 years of that.
And how much did it cost?
So the van itself was $55 out the door, and I'll be honest, I didn't keep track of the upfitting costs, but I want to say it's around $25 to $30.
This is a Ford Transit. Look at this.
And the good table mounts right there to the TV. It swings around so you have a desk. And then right here under the step floor is all your storage.
That's perfect. Nice.
Outdoor shower if you need it. Water fill port. Triple filtered water. And there's 12-volt radiant floor heat front and back. It runs off the 400 amp hours of batteries.
And look at this, guys. I have to say, he was so smart. You put cup holders. How cool is that?
Yes, and then the one wheel mount, and everybody asks what that is.
Yep, yep. Okay, so we are sitting down. As you can tell, I got the van behind me. I got my friend Cheryl. There's Cheryl. Yay! Cheryl's here, and we're just hanging out at VanFest because it's Saturday, and all the van curious people are here, and we're learning all about the vans and bikes and stuff. So take a look.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up.
Good morning. It's day 3 of VanFest, and it is a gorgeous day. Rosie and I are going to go for a little walk, and we're going to share more of the fun today. You know, the sunrise is absolutely beautiful. All right, we just got back from our walk, and someone's also happy. Okay, so a lot of van life, especially VanFest, is hanging out with really cool people and buy your van and talk to them about all the cool things about your van and everything you want about van life. You want to count how many times I said van life? I'm gonna go vote for the best van. Okay, so I have a yoga mat and I'm gonna try yoga. I keep telling you guys I've never tried yoga, and I'm gonna try yoga now. I have friends who are gonna try yoga, and they're gonna make fun of me, and you can make fun of me too, so let's go do morning yoga. Here come the yoga people. We got our yoga mats.
Let's do it.
Let's do this, let's
Yours
rock
is so
this.
thin.
We're late.
Yeah.
We're late for a very important date, let's go. Okay, so how long y'all been doing yoga?
A long time.
Yeah, a long time. 10 years
10
or
years?
something?
Yeah.
10 years, okay.
Yeah. Oh, well, we're not experts
Yeah.
by any means.
We're not like Zen yoga. I just like the stretching.
It's just relaxing, and it gets you started on the right path for the day. Like totally relaxing.
Okay guys, first time doing yoga. I survived. How'd I do? Okay, it's a lot of work. It was a lot of fun. A little bit in pain. I think I might need a beer. Can we do beers this early?
Yes.
Beer
yes,
yoga.
absolutely.
It's 5:30 somewhere. Okay. Okay, volunteers. Hey, let's give a shout out to the volunteers. Thanks, guys. Woo! Yeah, volunteers. Okay. I know I use my yoga mat for different things. How do you use your yoga mat?
It covers my generator when it's raining.
See? Van life. Got to use it for multiple things. Just saying. All right, I'm pulling out. I'm leaving VanFest. A lot of people have already left. It's been a fun time. Oh my gosh, so much fun. And cannot wait to come back next year. Met so many cool friends. Had a fantastic location. Would definitely suggest if you're into van life, bus life, truck camper life, you need to check these things out because this was really a great sense of community. A lot of people I got to meet, and you know, you sort of meet them hopefully at the next meetup and you keep in touch. And a lot of people are on Instagram, just want to let you know that. So if you're an Instagram person, you're gonna love it here because you will find your tribe. So once again, thank you Lance and everyone who put together Van Life, all the volunteers. You guys did a fantastic job. Can't wait to see you next year.
Thank you.